Alright, picture this. You run a business, but your team is just you. Sounds exhausting, right? But what if I told you that, with AI you could scale your business like you've got a full staff, even if you're working from your kitchen table? Today, I'm showing you 5 AI tools that can literally do the work of an entire team. If you're an entrepreneur or just want to see the future of business, stick around. This is going to blow your mind. First up, ChatGPT. Think of it as your brainstorming buddy, copywriter, customer support agent, and research assistant, all rolled into one. Need blog posts, emails, or product descriptions? Just type your prompt, and ChatGPT delivers. It's like hiring a content team, but for the price of your daily coffee. Next, let's talk about Canva AI. Forget hiring a designer for every Instagram post or pitch deck. Canva's AI-powered features whip up stunning graphics, logos, and even videos in minutes. You pick the vibe, and Canva handles the rest. No design degree required. Third on the list, Pictory. Video content is king, but editing can be a nightmare. Pictory uses AI to turn long-form content or even just text into polished, shareable videos. Imagine uploading a blog post and getting a YouTube-ready video, complete with captions and music in minutes. That's your video team sorted. Now let's automate the boring stuff with Zapier. Zapier connects your favorite apps. Think Gmail, Slack, Shopify, so tasks happen automatically. New lead in your inbox? Zapier can add them to your CRM, ping you on Slack, and send a welcome email, all without you lifting a finger. It's like having your own operations manager, but without the HR paperwork. Finally, here's a bonus. Notion AI. Notion isn't just a digital notebook, it's now your project manager, note taker, and meeting summarizer. With Notion AI, you can generate action plans, summarize long documents, and organize your entire workflow, all from one place. It's like your productivity HQ. So there you have it, 5 AI tools that can replace an entire team. Imagine the time, money, and stress you'll save when AI handles the heavy lifting, and you focus on what matters most, growing your business. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Prompt Pilot for weekly AI hacks, tools, and tutorials. Drop your favorite AI tool in the comments, and let's see how many entrepreneurs we can help level up. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.